Alright, so what we got here is a broken 3/4 inch PVC pipe. So today we're going to show you how to use repair coupling. Slides in and out like so. So first thing we want to do is we want to clean our pipe off. Get a little bit of water on it, best we can. Gonna be perfect. In order to measure for this cut, we're gonna keep this repair coupling fully contracted. So, we're gonna sit it in the hole like so to figure out where our cut's gonna be. Okay. Okay. Now we got it contracted. I'm gonna cut this thing back to about right here. And the reason we're using a multi-tool is because a lot of the times with these old pipes, when you go to make a cut with some cutters, the pipe will crack and you end up having to repair more than you need to. So we're just going to use multi-tool for situations like this. We gotta make sure we get the dirt clear from underneath this pipe. We need room to work for the glue and primer, and don't want to get no dirt in there. I'm trying to get the dirt out of this pipe with my fingers. Give us some room to work. Okay, should be good enough. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one side on at a time, the fat side first. So I'll prime this pipe. Make sure you prime it real good. This purple primer is what gets the pipe softened and activated for the glue to stick. Same thing with this side. Get it nice and clean. Same with the glue. Slide this on and give it a quarter turn, hold 15 seconds. I'm gonna give the glue a time to hold. If not, it'll end up sliding off and you could have leaks, stuff like that. So we'll hold 15 seconds. Okay, should be good to go. Now the other side. Prime the inside of this up. And I guess probably been easier to do it before I put that on, but make sure we get this side best we can. Right there. Right there. All right. It's the best we're gonna get it. Same thing with the glue. Same thing, wanna give it a quarter turn, hold 15 seconds. All right, there you have it. Once again, the reason you give it a quarter turn is so that way the glue spreads evenly across the surface. So that quarter turn helps the glue hit every part of that surface for you. 15 seconds, so that way it has time to lock up, and we should be good to go. We'll give it a minute or two, and then we'll run the system. All right.